Prime Minister Narendra Modi replied to the motion of thanks on President's address in Lok Sabha. In his address, PM Modi hit out at the Congress, saying that he was convinced that they have resolved to sit for a long time in the opposition. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a dig at the Congress, saying that even opposition leader Mallikarjun Kharge said that the NDA government will return to power with over 400 seats. PM Modi said our third tenure is not far away. A maximum of 100 to 125 days are left. The entire nation is saying, "Ab ki baar 400 par." Even Khargeji said that. PM Modi was referring to Kharge's remark in Rajya Sabha, wherein he said that the BJP, which already has a majority, is going for 400 seats in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. PM Modi also expressed confidence that the BJP alone would get 370 seats and the National Democratic Alliance bloc would get 400 seats. PM Modi also hit out at the Congress, saying that he and the nation are convinced that the grand old party has resolved to sit in the opposition for a long time. I appreciate the opposition's resolve to remain in the opposition for a long time. The way you sat in the government for many decades, the same way you resolved to sit in opposition. In the next election, you will reach greater heights. You will sit in the spectators' gallery of parliament, PM Modi said. Without mentioning Rahul Gandhi, PM Modi said the Congress shop is on the verge of closure in its attempt to launch the same product again and again. He said Parivarwad is about when a family and its members make all the decisions of a party. Family-run parties are not good for democracy.